यज्ञपदये दैवे स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपादः सभोगं विश्वतो मुद्रः अस्य यद्भूतं यच्छपव्यं उदामृतत्वशेषानः यदन्नेन निरोहते एतावानस्य महिमः ॐ एतावानस्य महिमः भूतानि निवादस्यामृतं दिवे निवादोत्सवोदयज्ञमतस्मदाः
signed by our Chief General Manager Sri Giridhar Kini garu. I will read it out, sir. As you lay down office after a long and successful innings in the bank, I am sure you will have mixed feelings. We in State Bank of India compliment you on this occasion and convey our sincere appreciation for the valuable contributions made by you towards the progress and growth of our bank. We know that you will continue to be an honored member of the extended SBI family. We also take this opportunity to convey our best wishes to you and your family for good health, happiness and prosperity in the years ahead. With warm regards, Sri Giridhar Kini sir, Chief General Manager, Stressed Assets Recovery Group, Mumbai. Present this retirement certificate, sir. Official retirement.
Sir,